Hi there! Today we're going to talk about e-commerce strategy. So we will identify all the elements that make up the e-commerce strategy, and we will focus on three main priorities that e-commerce businesses must focus on. An e-commerce strategy is a plan of action that outlines how a business will sell its products online. That strategy covers how it will attract, convert, and retain customers in a digital space. It's like a roadmap that helps an online retail business achieve its objectives and goals. Now, let's talk about the key elements that typically make up an e-commerce strategy. The first key element is understanding your market and defining your value proposition. This involves identifying your target audience, understanding their needs and behaviors, and defining what makes your product or service unique or better than the competition's. The value proposition should be compelling enough to make customers choose your offerings over others. A huge part of this is understanding your audience's online behavior, like where they spend most of their time online and which online communities they're engaged in most. The next key element is product presentation and catalog management. This refers to how products are displayed on your online store. Things like high quality images, detailed and engaging product descriptions, as well as customer reviews are crucial in this case. Catalog management, on the other hand, involves organizing your products into logical categories to make it easy for customers to browse and find what they're looking for easily. This has a huge impact on the online shopping experience for your visitors and their purchasing decision ultimately. The third key element is website design and user experience. Now, your e-commerce website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and of course, mobile friendly. It should provide a seamless and an enjoyable shopping experience to the customers. It should also load quickly and have clear calls to action. All these elements are super important for the shopping experience and the success of your e-commerce strategy. Element number 4 is e-commerce SEO and content strategy. Now, this involves optimizing your website and product pages to rank higher in search engine results. This makes it easy for potential customers to find your store. A content strategy might include blogging, creating buying guides, or making how-to videos to drive traffic and build relationships with customers. The fifth key element is online marketing and advertising. This can involve a variety of techniques like email marketing, social media marketing, influencer marketing, or maybe pay-per-click ads. The goal is to attract potential customers, convert them into paying customers, and then retain them. Element number 6 is customer relationship management. Now, this involves strategies to engage with customers and foster long-term relationships with them. It could involve personalized email campaigns, loyalty programs, and excellent customer service. It also involves utilizing CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce, which help you implement tactics that build strong and nurturing relationships with your customers. The seventh element of your e-commerce strategy is analytics and performance tracking. By using tools like Google Analytics, you can track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as traffic, conversion rate, average order value, and more. This data can help you understand what's working, what's not, and where there are opportunities for improvement. Number 8 is fulfillment and logistics management. And this includes everything from inventory management, order processing, packaging, shipping, and handling returns as well. It's important to ensure that the fulfillment process is efficient and reliable to ensure customer satisfaction. And finally, on that long list, we have security. Since e-commerce involves the exchange of sensitive customer information, it's crucial to ensure that your website is secure and complies with data protection regulations. While the specific priorities can vary depending on the nature of the business, its stage of growth, target audience, or maybe the industry it operates in, there are generally 3 core areas that many e-commerce businesses might prioritize when setting their e-commerce strategy. The first area that you should prioritize is customer experience. Now, customer experience is critical to the success of any e-commerce business. This means prioritizing a seamless, intuitive, and engaging user experience on your website. And so things like user-friendly design, a clear and straightforward navigation, and high-quality product information can be a deal breaker for your visitors. Also, an easy checkout process and optimizing your website for mobile users is crucial to improve customer experience. Another important aspect of customer experience is personalization, and an example of that is the product recommendations based on past purchases or browsing history. All of these aspects can have a significant impact on the customer experience. The second area is traffic acquisition and conversion. Now, driving qualified traffic to your site and converting that traffic into sales is another top priority. This can involve SEO optimization to rank higher in search engine results and content marketing to provide value and engage your audience. Social media marketing is also great for building brand awareness and engaging with customers. Email marketing is also the best tool to nurture leads. On the other hand, pay-per-click advertising like Google Ads or social media ads can also be effective for driving traffic. Once visitors are on your site, conversion rate optimization strategies like compelling calls to action and an easy checkout process can help you convert those leads into customers. Those are all important areas that you should focus on to improve your traffic acquisition and conversion rate. Finally, the third area is customer retention. Acquiring new customers is important, but retaining existing customers is equally, if not more, important. Prioritizing customer retention strategies can lead to a higher lifetime value and increased profitability for your business. This could involve strategies like implementing a strong customer relationship management system, creating loyalty programs, personalizing communication, and providing excellent customer service. Also, nurturing customer relationships through engaging in relevant email and content marketing campaigns can be a great perk to your business. The best strategy for your business will depend on a variety of factors, including your specific business goals, your resources, and the competitive landscape. It's also important to continuously monitor your KPIs and adjust your strategy as needed based on performance and market changes. Now, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you need any help with creating your e-commerce strategy or improving your e-commerce website, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.